Cool. All right, guys. In this video, let's see the intuition behind what is a list, and let's understand what is this data structure all about. So a list is a simple data structure. It can hold up data which you can manipulate. So a list, it actually looks like this. Let's say A is assigned with this, then A becomes a list type. So it has data like 10 strings, 0.3. So it has data which is separated by a comma, and it is stored within square braces. So that is how this list is. Okay, so now let's actually dive into the magical properties of list. So there are these four magical properties. Let's cover one by one. I'll cover the first one later. Second one, it is indexing, meaning you can use indexing on it. Let's say it is A is equal to this thing, meaning this becomes zeroth index, first index, second index, meaning you can use the indexing concept over this to view the data, or to look at the data what is present in it, using the indexing concept. So that is good enough. And it is not homogeneous, meaning it allows different types of data inside this data structure. So there is strings, there's a string data type over here. This is a normal int. This is a float data type, something like that. So we have different data types within a list, right? So that is important thing. It is non-homogeneous, that is what I meant. And it also allows duplicates, which means you can store many same valued data elements. Let's say you have 10 over here. Let's say again you can store 10. That is very important. So you can store multiple duplicate types like that. Okay, and coming back to mutable meaning you can change the data once assigned. Using indexing you can change. Let's say if this is the initial list I have. So now after this, what I'm going to do, let's say I'm going to do A of 0, okay, as 100. I'm going to explain this in the code also. This is just a little intuition. So I can change, I can do this, meaning 10 will be changed to 100. So I can mutable. So that is the meaning of mutability, or you can change the data. That is simple as such. So this was the intuition behind list. We've seen the magic properties also. So okay, deep let's dive into the code examples. That's all. We have nothing left. Yeah, see you there.